So guys, if you really want to earn money on YouTube, you need to do batch content. And especially if you're kind of a lady like me that is always at work, that is always, you work 20, is it 7 days, or you work 6 days for 12 hours or for 9 hours, you need to be doing batch content. So batch content, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to Immaculate Show with Christine. Please, this is a mind-blowing video because I know there are some individuals who don't do this or who ask themselves, how do you do it? So this is the batch content I do. One, these are steps, what I do. I prepare my content. For example, I do the transcripts. I do like 6 transcripts. It is hectic. It is not simple. So when I do 6 transcripts, I put them on my laptop. Then when I put them on my laptop, and you might ask yourself, what helps me to do all those six transcripts at a go? I use different tools, but in particular, I use ChatGPT and VIDQ. So I tell them I want to do this. I do my transcript on the laptop. Later, I say, please work on it and see how it works. Because I want to get the key searchable words in the first lines, in the first introduction, the catchy words. Then after telling them, they redo for me the transcript. I look through, I read. I take, by the way, almost 2 hours reading through my transcript. Those are a bunch of scripts, like 6 of them. So from there, I organize. I know today I'm going to use this amount of time to make this, because first of all, when I've done the transcripts and I've read through, they were from me, then I gave them to VIDQ or ChatGPT. It puts some spices. Then when it puts some spices, I again read through. Then when I read through, I come back. I say, okay, tomorrow it's this day, 1 hour. It's a sit down content. If it's a sit down content, I'm not going to use first thing first. I'm not going to use same cloth. So what I do, I organize my cloth like the way you can see them. I have a container, or I have a small portable wardrobe that I put those clothes. I know the first I'm going to put on this, the second I'm going to put on this, the third, the fourth, the fifth. It's tiresome, but you have to do it. So whenever I organize like that, I put them together. I'm set now. Then from there, I know what about the clothes move with the necklaces. I don't remove necklace because I don't have that time. So but what I remove earrings. So I put in one place the different earrings. Yes, as you can see them on the screen, that is the photo of the earrings, how I organize them. When I remove, immediately I change the t-shirt. I don't change the down because I'm not standing. I'm a sit down woman. So I remove the t-shirt, I put another t-shirt. So the moment I put another t-shirt like this, I put earrings, I put some, again, refresh my face. Especially you find maybe overdoing, when you're over talking, you'll start sweating. There are some videos you've seen when even sweat will be roaring. I do some makeup, a little, then I again continue. Remember, when you're removing these t-shirts, it's one, you put it on once, because when you're removing, the makeup will touch, lipstick will touch here, it will be dirty. So that one, I throw it in the bin. I know that one is for washing. This is how easy it comes. Then as I finish doing this, I relax. I sip something, I drink, I eat. If I want to edit the same day, it means I will know the first one. Remember, I've already started on thumbnails. The thumbnails, I do them first for this. So I send it. I tell the person for the thumbnail, I've finished this, so I want them like this. He always does 2 thumbnails, such that whenever one thumbnail doesn't work well, the next day, I change and put the second thumbnail. Then I see how the CTR click-through rate is going to be. So when you finish this, I'll start editing. And me, I use CapCut. I don't do much editing, by the way. Why don't I? I'm not stressed on putting much editing, because first, these are tutorials, these are educative learning, not entertainment. However, I bring in some of, if I have the photo for money, I bring it in. Like now, this photo for my clothes, I put them there. For earrings, for the setup, I put it there. But what I mind about is the flow, the way the pictures, the photos come, the zooming, just small things. So I don't find myself doing too much editing. So like if there are 6 videos, I'll edit these 6 videos in 3 days. The first day I'm editing for the second day, then the next day I'm editing. So you find I'm always updated. Then the moment I finish, if at all I have so much time and I finish all of them at a go, I go and upload them and schedule them. Then I start working on other videos for other days. This is the trick I've been using. 1, you've known on batch content, I prepare my transcript. 2, I prepare the thumbnails, okay, the metadata array. 3, the clothing matters, because you will not be in one cloth. Yes, sometimes I use for immaculate show or black alone, but now sometimes if I want some spices, I make sure I have, even if they are for, it's going to be the same cloth, I have to organize. 3rd, I make sure I do simple editing. So guys, this is exactly what batch content or batch filming is all about. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Bye bye.